Hey everyone, it's ChrissyWoods. Welcome back to my channel. I feel like I have not recorded a makeup video in so long. But you know what? Today I was like, today's the day. I miss talking to YouTube. I miss filming videos. So I'm going back at it. So if you're new here, my name is ChrissyWoods and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to film my first tutorial since I've received my makeup Shayla and Colourpop collection, and I did get the whole collection. I got the lipsticks and the palette, the eyeshadow palette, and I also got the highlighters, and I think that was everything that came with the collection. The lipstick, yeah, I think that was everything that came with the collection. So I got the whole collection. So today I'm going to be doing a look using this palette, which y'all, I've had this palette for probably a month now, and I have been using it non-stop. It comes with 16 shadows. Yeah, 16 shadows. Oop, you can barely see it with the light. But it comes with 16 shadows. And I mean, it's just absolutely phenomenal. It has this huge mirror. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm going to do with this Makeup and Shayla, or Makeup Shayla, if you're interested in seeing what I'm going to do with this palette, please continue to watch. Okay guys, so I went on and zoomed in just a bit so we can really get up close and personal with this palette and see what look we're going to create today. So the first color, I've already primed my eyes, and I just used the Colourpop No Filter Concealer just to prime my eyes with. And the first color I'm going to go with is this color right here, and it's a beautiful, very neutral shade, and it's called Culture. And I'm just going to put that right in my crease area. This is such a perfect color because it's neutral enough to give you the warmth or the coolness that you need right here in the crease. And that's why I love this color so much. I literally use it for everything. Next, on my outer third of my eye, I'm going to go in with this color right here called Played Out. And it's like a really deep, it's like a brown maroon color. Or brown burgundy. It's like a deep brown burgundy. But it's really, really deep brown. And I'm just going to pop it in the outer third. And you'll see me drag it over into the crease. And this is my Morphe M222 brush. I'm just going to take some Revenge on that brush and blend it out. Blend out the edges. So now, because I have hooded eyes, I'm just going to go in with a little of this Multitasking Medium by NYX. It's the NYX Multitasking Medium. And I'm going to put that right over my lid because I'm going to go in with a shimmer color, and I really want it to stick to my lid and not transfer. And this product helps it to not transfer. So I'm going to put that there. And I'm going to let it dry. Or get tacky. We don't need it to dry completely, but at least get a little tacky. And so now I'm going to go in with the color called Spill the Tea. Right here. It's a beautiful shimmery, almost like a rose gold color. Ooh. So now, I think I'm gonna go in with Unbothered. And it's this beautiful white color right here. So pretty. Alright, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to add a pop of color. So I'm going in with this really blue color right here. It's called 14. I really like the way that looks. Let me zoom out just a bit. I like it. I like it. This palette is bomb.com. I'm really loving the pigmentation of the colors. So let's just finish up the face a little bit. I think I'm going to go in with a pair of my FABU-lash lashes, of course. And these are some that I haven't even released yet. So let's see how these will look with this. Alright, so I popped on a pair of my lashes from my FABU-lash line while I was off camera. And I think these look really good for this look. They're a little bit bolder than what I normally wear, but I really like them. So now I'm going to try one of Shayla's lipsticks. First, I'm going to line my lips with this Colourpop lip liner. And this is in the shade BFF3. I really like this lip liner. And now I'm going to go in with the color, I think I'm going to do Ooh. It's called Ooh. That's the sound she always makes. So, Ooh. I see how she named it out. So I haven't really worn the lipsticks that much. I think that's pretty. Yeah, I think that's pretty. Now, I already have on highlight. My bad, y'all. I forgot that the collection had a highlight in it. But I'm just going to add a little bit so you guys can see. And this highlight is called Boomin'. Boomin'. And it is booming because I wear it like every day. And it's one that has the golden undertones. The other highlight is called Pose, but they didn't send me Pose. They sent me two Boomins. And I reached out to Colourpop several times and they won't get back with me. So there goes that. That's so pretty. But yeah, I've reached out to them several times and I can't get a response. That's really not good customer service at all. And y'all know in the summertime and spring when it gets hot, I drown myself in highlight. I'm all about that glow life, like completely all about that glow life. But I'm not about these lace frontal lines. Jeez, these things are a pain. They're so pretty, but they are a pain. But anyway, what do you guys think? Tell me what you think when you see this video. Leave a comment down below. Overall, I think the palette is absolutely amazing. The colors are extremely pigmented. And I mean, you get 14 different colors and you can do so much. Like the color combination is absolutely endless. Oh, I didn't spray my face. And this is the Mario Badescu. And this is his aloe, herbs, and rose water. Y'all, the smell of rose water, it just makes life better. The smell of that rose water makes it better. You've got to try it. But anywho, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tell me what you think about the look. Overall, like I said, I think the palette is absolutely worth the money. You get a lot of stuff. And I mean, even if you don't get the collection, if you just get the palette, I think you're doing good with getting the palette. Like, it is really worth it. The shadows are very beginner friendly. Because of the combination of colors, you can really create some amazing looks with this palette. So anyway, this is the first look that I've created from this palette that I've actually filmed, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to do so, and I will see you guys in the next video real soon. Bye.